Hello friends, welcome back to networking tutorial. So let's start our today's topic. In this video, we are going to look at how to do the basic configuration in ASA from scratch. So if you've never seen ASA before, this is what you can start off. We'll see here different interface configuration and I will provide all the commands also. We'll see some verification command too. So let's get started. So this is our topology for ASA lab. In this topology, you can see we have inside network as well as outside network. We do have DMG1 and DMG2. Every network like inside, outside, DMG1 and DMG2, we have two loopback IPs and a interface IP. We will configure those IPs first, then we'll go for ASA configuration. So let's start. So we'll configure the inside network first. Exit. So IP interface brief. Yeah, nothing is configured yet. We'll go to the global configuration mode. Interface loopback 1 IP address 10.1.1.1 255.255.255.0 exit. Interface loopback 2 IP address 10.2.2.1 255.255.255.0 exit. And so IP interface brief. Yes, to loopback came off. Next we'll go to the first Ethernet 0/0 interface. First Ethernet 0/0 IP address 10.11.11.1 255.255.255.0. Now set. Exit. End. So IP interface brief. Yes, all the three interfaces came up. Right? Next we'll go to the DMG1 configure terminal interface loopback 1 IP address 10.5.5.1 255.255.255.0 exit. Loopback to IP address 10.6.6.1 255.255.255.0 exit. And so IP interface brief. Yes, to loopback interface came up. Here you can see. Next, config terminal interface first Ethernet 0/0 IP address 192.168.3.1 255.255.255.0. Now set. Exit. And so IP interface brief. Yeah, all the three interfaces came up. Next we'll go to the DMG2, this one, config terminal interface loopback 1 IP address 10.7.7.1 255.255.255.0 exit. Interface loopback 2 IP address 10.8.8.1 space 255.255.255.0 exit. End. So IP interface brief, yeah. To loopback interface came up. Next, config terminal interface was Ethernet 0/0, IP address 192.168.4.1, 255.255.255.0. Now set, exit, and so IP interface brief, yeah, 3 interface came up, you can see. Next we'll go to the outside network. Here also config terminal interface loopback 1, IP address 10.3.3.1, 255.255.255.0. Exit interface loopback 2, IP address 10.4.4.1, 255.255.255.0. Exit, and so IP interface brief, yeah, to loopback interface came up. Next, config terminal interface was Ethernet 0/0, IP address 192.1.20.1, 255.255.255.0. No set, exit, and so IP interface brief, yes, here also 3 interface came up. So finally we configured all the 3 interfaces for inside DMG1, DMG2 and outside network. So basic configuration for the inside, outside DMG1 and DMG2 have been completed. But my objective in this lab is to focus on the configuring the IP address on the ASA firewall. This I want to do it on the ASA firewall. For interface gig 0/0, I want to assign it an IP address of 10.11.11.10. Give it a name of inside with the security level of 100. Assign the gig 0/1 interface 192.168.3.10 DMG1 with the security level of 50. For DMG1 and DMG2, I want to keep the security level same. Assign the gig 0/2 interface 192.1.20.10 outside with the security level of 0. So let's go ahead and take a look how do I configure it. First of all, I will check whether my ASA is blank or not through one command, that is so interface IP brief. Yes, this is the command. For that you can check all the interface and not set right now. The other thing that you can do over here, you notice that I am doing here so run command without any do command in global config. Let's start up setting the IP address on the device. Interface gig 0/0, name if inside. As soon as you put the inside, it will set the security level to 100 by default. Any name except the inside, it will set the security level to 0 by default. Now I will put the IP address 10.11.11.10 subnet mask 255.255.255.0. No set to bring that interface up. Let's check what I configured till it. So run interface gig 0/0. You can see here. So interface IP brief gig 0/0 is up now. Now let's move on to the outside interface. Config terminal, interface gig 0/2 name if outside. You notice the message pops out. Yes, it set the security level to 0 by default. The only thing I'll do right now is the IP address. IP address 192.1.20.10 and /24 is the default mask for class C. If I want to, I can put the subnet mask over here, but I don't do that. Let me just put the enter over here. Yes. Next, no set. I'll go ahead and show you the running config. So run interface gig 0/2. Notice that it has put the subnet mask as well. So interface IP brief. This is the another command you can check. So name it. It's another verification command. I have two interfaces up now, inside with the security level of 100 and outside with the security level of 0. Next, let's do the DMG1 and DMG2. It will automatically set the security level to 0. Then we have to change the security level to 50 manually. Interface gig 0/1 name it DMG1. I'll set the security level here. Security level 50. IP address 192.168.3.10. No set. Exit. I don't need to put the mask over here because it is the default mask. Next, interface gig 0/3 name if DMG2. Security level 50. IP address 192.168.4.10. No set. Exit. So interface IP brief. So now I have 4 interfaces. All the 4 interfaces are up now. So run interface, yes, and last command, so name if. Yes. I came back to my diagram. I have configured all the basic configuration part. Next, I should be able to ping from inside, outside DMG1 and DMG2 network to ASA firewall interface and vice versa. These are the two traffic what I discussed our previous lecture. Let's see that is working or not. What I'll do over here, ping 10.11.11.1. It's pingable. Next, ping 192.168.4.1. It's also pingable. Ping 192.1.20.1. It's pingable. Ping 192.168.3.1. Yeah, this one also pingable. So all my surrounding networks are reachable now. So that is my basic config, what I already configured, and it's working fine. I will not be able to go beyond it right now because I don't have any route configured. Probably we'll see that in the coming videos. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.